Here's how to use Proxy by Janitor AI. Janitor AI is an application where you can go ahead and use Proxy with it. The first thing that you're going to do is to set up your account by putting on your username and then go ahead and select a screen name or name that it will display to your profile. You can also edit your appearances. After setting up your account, you will now see your profile on the main dashboard. Now, for you to be able to use it, you can now go ahead and click on the house or home button that you can see at the lower left, and you will be redirected on the prompts or action that you can actually do and manipulate with the Janitor AI. And then, once you have already clicked on that, you will be able to see there the block list, following, and security. So from the block list, you can go ahead and block some creators' proxy that you want. Follow some creators, just go ahead and search for tags. And you can also edit the security that you have if you want a more secure account.